beats. Shaka on the beats. Shaka on the beats.
What is good, YouTube? It's your boy Shaka252. Bring you another video. Linking up with the almighty Mopar Savages once again. Like I always do, I'll shut up so you can see some of the guys that's here. This is like the first group. We're meeting up the second half of the group. We're gonna link up with them in a couple of hours. So I'll shut up so y'all can enjoy the footage, all right?
Yeah. 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 Yeah, yeah, now, bounce, 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 bounce. And you can come and ride, might as well live a little. Lot of time to die, and you ain't gotta try, but you ain't gotta hide. I can come to your side, the way you wanna slide, cause the world is open wide. Now you can come and ride, might as well live a little. Lot of time to die, and you ain't gotta try, but you ain't gotta hide. I can come to your side, the way you wanna slide, cause the world is open wide. I am just as smooth as an ocean breeze, now catch the wave. My title pull is real, not the little strings they say. They scared from these terabytes, who can they call to save? This food for thought, a feast, now let us bow our heads to pray on the non-believers. At times I was a non-achiever, known rebel, I run beside, I don't follow leaders. 7 days I die in the ring with the bob and weavers. My thing filled to the top, but it's a hollow keeper. My life ain't just black and white, these ain't mulatto features. This is Picasso speaking, coming in clear. Man, no, well I'm Van Gogh, lend me your ears, but please limit your tears, cause the world will take advantage. Bully your heart and then go push the limits of fear. They speak of me in whispers, so don't mention me here, or I can have you closed in with the fence of the year. Help you graduate from that BS, commencement is near. Come and ride, might as well live a little. Lot of time to die, and you ain't gotta try, but you ain't gotta hide. I can come to your side, the way you wanna slide, cause the world is open wide. Now you can come and ride, might as well live a little. Lot of time to die, and you ain't gotta try, but you ain't gotta hide. I can come to your side, the way you wanna slide, cause the world is open wide. I just want some change in the bank, I can tuck couple funds for the guns, that's that bang for the buck. And a ticket on the plane where I'm going, such and such, for my phone on these phones, I ain't.
What is good, YouTube? It's your boy Shaka252 checking in one more time. We actually linked up. If you can look behind me, we linked up with a few more guys from the Mopar Savages. Those of you guys that don't know, this is the homie Jody, aka 392 Horseplay. He has a YouTube channel. He needs those subscribers.
I need them.
Let them know what you got going on right now so they can check your page out.
Right now, I've for a few months I've been busy at work. I've had 500 subscribers, so I'm doing a giveaway, which I posted last week, last Sunday, and I'm giving a $25 gift card for this 500 subscriber giveaway. So look me up on 392 Horseplay, and what I'm doing is I'm doing a scheme change on my car. And somewhere in the video you should see a character that I'm basing my scheme change off of. If you can guess that character, then I'll send you a $25 gift card. If there's multiple people, then what I'm gonna do a random drawing and put all those names, you know, in a hat or something, and then I'll send it out that way. But look me up, 392 Horseplay.
That's what's up.
I appreciate it.
Yep, I'll put the link to his channel in the description. You guys, like I said, check his channel out. He's one of the guys in the Mopar Savages, man. And you know, it's a group of us. This not even everybody, and this just started out with me, Fast Fit Entertainment, and my buddy John, B5 John. This is a group, man, and I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys the rest of the cars. But first, the first car I'm gonna show you is 392 Horseplay's 392 Daytona. It's very similar. It's exactly the same one as my brother MDG Collections. It's the same type of Daytona if you're familiar with him. So, all right, like always, I'll shut up so you can enjoy the footage. What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Shaka252 checking in again. What I'll do is, this is the third little hit time. We met up with the rest of the group. So this isn't everybody. We're actually waiting on one more Daytona. That's my buddy Fast Fit Entertainment. If you can see behind me, that's the whole lineup. And what I'll do is, I'll get another shot. Well, actually, look behind me too. Some more guys over there. But what I'll do is, so you can stop looking at my face, I'll flip the camera around so you can check out the footage. All right, peace. You gotta turn the traction control on. Back with it, back with the mastermind.
Derby City Mopar DSM on Instagram. Just type in Derby City Mopar and the city spelled with a S instead of a C. And on YouTube, it's the same spelling, Derby City Mopar. Come holler at us. So we out here doing it with my man Shaka. Congratulations on that 1,000 views.
Appreciate it.
Now you had like you had 1,200 and some change now.
1,200. Yeah,
holla at him, man. He's getting the stuff in. Nice quality videos. Holla at him.
Check out his channel. I'll put it in the link in the description. All
I'll
right?
definitely send it to you.
Right. Oh yeah.
Uniform too.
Yeah.
That's what I'm talking about.
You might want to take that shirt off for you.
I know.
Now you good. I'm just taking pictures. You want to record?
No, 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 no. Hell no. No. No.
Racing
His brother better. That fucking ram is bad ass, man.
What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Shaka252. I gotta work on something. I am terrible at closing out videos. I'll like record all this footage and I don't like give a conclusion to it. It's just like the video ends. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. All the new subscribers, even if you're not a subscriber of mine, if you just so happen to find my page, hope you guys enjoy the footage. And big shout out to Derby City Mopar, and shout out to my team, the Mopar Savages. And like I said earlier in the video, check out 392 Horseplay, Fast Fit Entertainment, and definitely check out Derby City Mopar's YouTube page. Subscribe to their channel, check out their content. All right, and y'all know I'm in the bathroom. This is the best light in the house. You already know how it goes. So, got this. This came in the mail. It's 2 things in here, so it's gonna be 3 prizes altogether for the giveaway. So I got 2 things in here. 3rd item is in here. So, all right, that's all I got. I'll catch y'all on the next one. All right, peace.
0 0 0 0 0